All right, guys, what's happening? Day 2, the Nationals, NHRA Spring Nationals in Baytown, Texas. Getting ready to make another pass. Try to get you guys as much of this experience as I can. Place is a madhouse. It is just absolutely packed to the gills, which is awesome. They're going to start pulling us forward, I think. So crazy. That was so close. I don't see a wind light. I don't see anything. All I know is that was another incredibly fast pass, incredibly close pass. How awesome was that? The contraption's saying I went a 10.4. I don't think it went that quick. It's probably another 1050, I would think. But we won't know until we get our time slip. My boy!
Dude, holy shit.
My man!
That was a pass.
What
dude.
the hell? There was nothing separating us. I don't have any idea who won that race.
I don't either.
I have no clue. We left at the exact same time.
I don't know.
Yeah! I'm telling you that the reaction time, if nothing else, the reaction time has got to be identical.
Yeah,
and we cannot be within half a tenth again at the most. Dude, it was just...
That was awesome.
Oh, man. All right, guys, we got to go get our time slip. Neither one of us have any idea what we ran, but we know we were so absolutely close that... Woo! We were so close that, I mean, neither one of us know who won. looking out of my peripheral vision, I've got to say, I mean, I would be shocked let me rephrase that. I would be surprised, very surprised, if we didn't run something very similar to how we ran in the last hit, where the cars were just literally identical almost in trap speed and ET. So, but even closer still though than that. That had to have been a closer race. Had to have been.
New text message from Ann Mayday.
My mom just sent something over. She's here watching. What's up, Mom? Oh, what did this thing run? Again, the contraption saying a 10.4. I'm thinking it was a low 1050, maybe another 1052. The dude here needs to get up and get us a time slip, because I think we're about to burst. Thank you, sir. Did I get you?
Oh, dude.
Who got the win? Left lane.
By 100th of a second.
100th of a second. Ah! 10.510 at 100 and almost 32 miles an hour, guys. Chris got me on the tree with a nearly, well, he ran a 0.29 to my 0.61, but I got there, I got around him, I guess in the first 330. Actually, I got around him in the 60 foot. I think it was all in the 60 foot. Oh, what an awesome race. Oh, goodness. With that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. We're going to try to, well, I'll tell you what. No, we're not going to do that. I'm going to take you guys through where we're parked today. Yeah, let me do that. Okay. Let's go for a ride. So we're going to be actually going through the entire event to get to where we're parked. What an awesome race again between these two so closely matched cars. Unbelievably close race. 1052 to a 1051. Unbelievable. Oh no, I ran a 52. I just noticed this. I out 60-footed him. His car went quicker than mine. I caught him on the 60. Oh, wow. Even better with a whole shot victory. Oh, that's not good. I'm going to have to. Oh, yeah. This is going to be good. This is going to be too good. I misread the time slip, guys. Sorry. I'm so excited, and I'm so used to looking at the right lane. I was in the left lane. Oh, that was awesome. 1052 to a 1051. Oh, got him on the whole shot. That's gonna eat him alive. My buddy Chris is so good on the tree. Oh man. Oh, that is so close. So you guys are about to watch something crazy. You're going to see us coming through this entire crowd, if they're all there. The top fuel is running right now, so. So I was right when I called 1052. It did run a 1052. Nice.
I didn't even know who won.
Whole shot, baby.
I know that's what he just said. I was videoing, so I didn't even see
2-1.
Hey, when I was looking at the time
Congrats.
slip, I was instinctively looking at the right side.
Right.
And I was like, oh, I went at 51, you went at 52. I called the 52 on video. I think I went at
Did you?
52. Yeah.
Nice.
So anyway, let me get up here. I got to